Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Manie channel. Today I'm gonna make a dish called 5 spice pork and eggs. It's not really Thai. I would think that it's Chinese. It's originally from Chinese because Chinese people also eat this dish too and Thai people love it too. But you can do it like Chinese way or Thai way. For the Chinese way, they use spices, 5 of them at least. So that's why the name is 5 spice. But for the Thai way, you don't need to if you don't have spices. Or if you have like some spices but not all 5, you can use some of them. In this case today I have 4, but I add another thing to make it 5 because I don't want to change the name. So let's see what I use. So the style that I'm gonna do today, I'm not really sure if it's like totally Chinese way or Thai way. I would call it like semi-Chinese, semi-Thai because I have some of the ingredients, but it is the way that I grew up with. Let's do it. Okay, apron's down there, so let's go. I want to keep all 5 because I don't want to change the name of the dish. Because it is famous as 5 spice. You don't have to use all of these spices if you don't have. The star shape is called star anise, cloves, cinnamon sticks, but I don't have the sticks, so I'm just gonna use the powder. I'm supposed to use Sichuan peppers, but I don't have them, so I'm gonna use the regular ones. I'm supposed to use fennel seeds, but I don't have them, so I'm gonna substitute them with bay leaves. It doesn't hurt to use bay leaves. It's something that I always have in my kitchen. Garlic, peppers, one of the 5 spices, and we're gonna keep the rest to use later. Normally we use cilantro's roots, but we don't have them here, so we're just gonna use cilantros and the stems. Mash them. More garlic. Hard-boiled eggs, peeled. Pork. Shiitake mushrooms. Now we're gonna roast all the left 4 spices. Now we're gonna put them in a little container, like the little strainer container, because we're gonna put this in the soup for smell and flavor, but we're not gonna eat them. Now we're gonna stir fry the mashed garlic, peppers and cilantros. Take some out and leave some in the pot. Palm sugar, sweet soy sauce or black soy sauce. Kikkoman, oyster sauce, cooking wine, fish sauce, sugar, some salt, add pork. For this dish, we use the part with fat, like pork belly works best. But if you don't want, you can use pork chops. But it might not be tender. Add mushrooms. Fried tofu. Add water. the spices. Now you put the rest of the mashed garlic, cilantros, and peppers in. Add cinnamon. Take the fat out as much as possible. There's a trick to take the fat out. So after you're done cooking, you can let the soup cool down and then put in the fridge, and then you just take the fat out easily. Bring to boil and then simmer. You might want to throw a slice of galangal in the soup. It's optional, it brings out the smell. You can put the eggs in later after the pork is tender. Add the boiled eggs. So let the eggs absorb the color, so the eggs gonna turn brown. We can eat this dish with steamed Chinese broccoli, or we can eat with preserved sour mustard. It's optional. You might wanna cut up the mustard and then rinse it with water first. Squeeze out the juice, and then you wanna boil this with the soup. To make sauce to eat with this, which is I mix the chili vinegar with rice vinegar together. This dish is supposed to be on the sweeter side, sweeter than it is salty. So it is perfect to add the sour tastes to it with the sauce that I make and the sour mustard. They are all great combination. If you are looking for something that is low carb, low fat, or you always like eat clean because it's trendy in Asia, especially in Asia right now, this dish is not for you. Sorry. But it is a comfort food. Done. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to cook rice too.